Turmeric, the golden spice of healing and purity. Spiritual benefits. Purification. Turmeric is believed to cleanse negative energy and purify both body and spirit. Sprinkle a little around your home or burn turmeric incense to remove stagnant or dark energy. Healing. Often used in spiritual baths or blessings to restore inner peace and emotional balance. In many traditions, especially in India and parts of Africa, turmeric paste is used to bless new beginnings, weddings, and sacred rituals. Courage and strength. Turmeric is connected to the solar plexus chakra, the center of confidence and power. Wearing or anointing with turmeric paste is believed to boost courage and self-belief before big challenges. Blessings and cleansing. Mix a little turmeric in water and sprinkle it at your doorway or altar to attract divine blessings. Use it during full moon or new moon rituals for spiritual renewal. Health benefits. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Reduces inflammation, joint pain, and supports recovery. Boosts immunity. Strengthens your body's natural defenses. Improves digestion. Helps cleanse the gut and supports a healthy digestive system. Supports skin health. Brightens skin, reduces acne, and promotes natural glow. Enhances mood and focus. Contains curcumin, known to support brain health and fight stress. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's sacred gold. Use it to purify your energy, invite healing, and build courage. Spiritually powerful and great for your health, turmeric truly blesses your mind, body, and soul.